So, dear children, in this video, we are going to do present continuous tense. Recognition in Hindi of this tenses: रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहे हो, रहा हूँ. The sentence ending in Hindi with the words रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहे हो, रहा हूँ, there will be present continuous tense, and recognition in English is subject SMR, first form of the verb, ing, object plus other predicate. Okay, so example, मैं हॉकी खेल रहा हूँ. I'm playing hockey. The work is in progress. Present continuous or present progressive, one is the same thing. Okay, I am not playing hockey. Negative, am के साथ not लग जाएगा. Interrogative में we are going to bring am outside. Am I playing hockey? Am अंदर दोबारा से नहीं लगाएंगे, am को बाहर रख देंगे interrogative बनाते हुए. Am I playing hockey? Sign of interrogation. Next. These are the examples you can see. This is, I think, obvious that with I we are supposed to use am. With he, she, it we are using is, you, we, they, are. इनके साथ हम आर का यूज़ करते हैं बेटा. यू इज़ रिपीटेड ओवर हेयर, काइंडली इग्नोर दिस थिंग. क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में we have brought am, is, are outside, and rest of the sentence we have copied. Usage: actions happening now, actions that is already planned, for changing situations, for expressing time at the moment of speaking. For example, he is playing football now, actions happening right now. So actions that is already planned, he is watching movie with his friend next Sunday. Already उसने plan करा हुआ था ना, so that is why he is watching. For changing situations, the climate is getting hotter each year. हो रहा है, सिचुएशन चेंज हो रही है, मौसम चेंज हो रहा है, क्लाइमेट हॉट हो रहा है. फॉर एक्सप्रेसिंग टाइम एट द मोमेंट ऑफ स्पीकिंग, वी आर परफॉर्मिंग आवर ड्यूटी एट द मोमेंट, राइट? These are a few examples. Kindly pause here and read these examples yourself. Next comes past continuous tense. Recognition in Hindi: रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, etc. आदि. You might have remembered कि हमने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में क्या करा था? रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, रहा हूँ. ओके, और पास्ट में था आ जाएगा. दिस इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. है की जगह था आ जाएगा. एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ इज एम आर वी आर यूजिंग वॉज वर इन पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. रेस्ट ऑफ द रूल्स विल रिमेन सेम एज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ओके, एम की जगह हमने वॉज लगा दिया, वॉज, वॉज. ऑल राइट. So subject was, were, first form ing, object and other predicate. मैं हॉकी खेल रहा था. I was playing hockey. I was not playing hockey. Was I playing hockey? Sign of interrogation. Question mark. See, I, she, it के साथ हमने was का यूज़ किया. You, we, they के साथ were का यूज़ किया. Okay. नेगेटिव वॉज नॉट या वॉजेंट. ओके, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं हम इसको, वर नॉट और वरेंट. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन फॉर्म. अ फ्यू मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. यूसेज: to describe parallel actions, to describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time, to express interrupted action in the past, to describe repetition and irritation. See how parallel actions now. While I was washing the dishes, I heard a loud noise. कि जब मैं dishes wash कर रही, बर्तन साफ कर रही थी, मुझे क्या सुनाई पड़ा? एक loud noise सुनाई पड़ा. To describe parallel actions के साथ simultaneously two actions are going on. Okay, so to describe what someone was doing at a particular point in time. I was working in the garden all day yesterday. Interrupted action in the past: I was driving to work when I crashed my car. Repetition or irritation में he was always complaining in the class. Complaining करता रहता है ना, repetition. This is not different, somewhat similar to the slide. interrupted continuous past action, parallel actions. To start a story, create an atmosphere. बेटे आपको पता है while I was driving to work yesterday, जब yesterday की बात आती है it means obviously that we are talking about the day what was spent, okay, what has been spent. While I was driving to work yesterday, the sun was shining and birds were singing, okay. Repeated action, this is what I told you in this slide as well. Repetition, right? So action before and after a specific time. Last night at 6 p.m. I was eating dinner. In August she was working at a summer camp. So this is past progressive tense usage. Future continuous में recognition in Hindi रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. In English the recognition will be subject, will or shall be. Don't forget to write be in future continuous tense. First form ing, object, other. Beta, remember one thing. Whenever there will be continuous tense, whether it is simple continuous or it will be perfect continuous tense, always use first form of the verb. So, रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे. मैं हॉकी खेल रहा होऊंगा. I shall be playing hockey. I shall not be playing hockey. Shall I be playing hockey? Affirmative, negative, interrogative. Okay? इसमें क्या किया हमने? शेल को बाहर ले आए. नेक्स्ट शेल आई बी, शेल बी आई नहीं होता, शेल आई बी प्लेइंग हॉकी क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके. और इसमें शेल नॉट बी, शेल बी नॉट नहीं होता, आई शेल बी नॉट, आई शेल नॉट बी प्लेइंग हॉकी. ओके. नाउ यूजेज. These two slides are somewhat similar. Okay, don't get confused. So for interrupted actions in the future, when you get home, I'll be watching this movie. For specific, beta यहाँ पे specific के spellings SPEC. So please ignore this R in specific. Okay. For specific time as an interrupted in the, as an interruption in the future. So we will be having breakfast tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. For the actions already happening now and expected to continue sometime in the future, we will still be dealing with this task in an hour. So, to ask a question politely about the future, will you be leaving Mexico tonight? Question mark. While expressing the intentions for the future, intentions होती है will, है ना? I will be helping my mother during the weekend. Intentions, इच्छा. For parallel actions or a series of parallel actions, sometimes to describe the atmosphere. This time next week, they will be dancing, chatting together and having fun. All right. So this is somewhat similar. Kindly read these examples yourself. Nothing different. So this is all about your tenses, beta. Future continuous tense. This is what I want to tell you. Future tense, sometimes we use going to also. Will also, will to you know very well that we are using will or shall in this future tense. But do you know that going to will also come under future tense? Yes. So how? Like I will travel to Japan next year. इसमें decision हो गया, उसने decision ले लिया that I will travel. मैंने decision ले लिया I will travel to Japan next year. Okay. But here I am going to study German at school. अभी ये action क्या है? डिसीजन लिया नहीं, उसने प्लान करा है. अभी आई एम गोइंग टू करने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी जर्मन एट स्कूल. है तो ये भी फ्यूचर प्लान है. ओके. है तो फ्यूचर है, बट दिस इज डिसीजन, दिस इज प्लान. सो आई होप you people have understood these tenses. We have finished indefinite and continuous tenses. So this is not over yet. It will be continued. Wait for the next videos that will be of perfect and perfect continuous tense. Thank you so much, children. Now you're supposed to practice these tenses in your BBC. The pages I have, provided already with this video. I have sent one PDF of BBC pages. So you're supposed to do in the BBC only. If you don't have, kindly write down the answers only in your notebook. okay, of those blanks. Thank you so much, children. Thank you very much. And you're supposed to write the notes that I sent in your notebooks. Thank you.